This is the 7Artisans 35mm 1.4 full frame manual lens. So when I got the FX3, I knew that my A7C was going to be my travel camera and more of like a photography camera. I was looking for a nice small compact lens, and I knew that 7Artisans had made cinema cameras, and to be honest, I wasn't even looking at 7Artisans for this lens, but I found it through an Instagram ad, and it looked like the perfect size and the price was decent, $189. So I was like, what the heck, I'll try it out. Definitely an impulse buy. So this is the lens here. It's got a full metal build. It comes in two colors, black and this gray color. I kind of like the vintage look of the A7C, so I got this one to kind of match. The silver doesn't really match, but what can you do? Focus ring on the top. Got a nice bit of give there, nice and smooth. And it's got this clicker right here, if I can click it. So you can declick the aperture ring here. So that's unclicked, and then just flip it, and then there's clicked. Pretty solid build quality, I would say, for a $180 lens. But when I did get this lens, I will say the threads are kind of tight, and I was stressed out a little bit trying to put this on, but yeah, it's not as smooth as the Sigma lenses or the Sony lenses that I have. It feels there's a little bit of resistance putting it on the camera there, but this is what it looks like on the camera. As you can see, the thing that kind of bugs me about this, there is like a gap in between the camera and the lens itself, but nice compact footprint. Fits pretty nicely, matches with the A7C here, and yeah, feels nice, like the form factor. I will say though that using the manual lens is nice, but I think I am going to be looking for an autofocus lens to put onto this, because not gonna lie, I'm not the greatest at pulling focus. Even with focus peaking on these, it's hard to see the focus lines. More oftentimes than not, as you'll probably see in the pictures, I'm out of focus, I will admit, so I would just appreciate to let the camera do the work and let it do autofocus on its own. But yeah, that's the 7Artisans 35mm 1.4. Sample images and video coming up.